Hello guys, so I'm working on this Happy New Year app. It's a countdown app. Okay, so in this app, as you can see here, that's the value. Okay, and I'm just using your very fast timer. It's milliseconds. Okay, so you can use your seconds. Okay, you can just set the timer in the seconds, like once this second is completed, then minute, then hour, then days. So as you can see here, there's 22 days remaining for the new year. Okay, so whenever you open your app, this will look like this. What I have done, I have just set 4 value to the year, like the days. Like, okay, so what will happen? See, after completing the 22 days, this will look like this. That timer will hide and automatically Happy New Year 2024. It will look like that. Okay, so you know the idea right now how this will work. So let me just refresh this app. Okay, using my companion, as you can see, like this. So what you need to do, I have just added here the 27. This is the minute value. I have converted that value to the days. Okay, that's the reason I can show that. So after completing the 22 days, this will happen. So as you can see here, Happy New Year right now. So that's the overall app we will create using MIT App Inventor. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.